Hey everyone, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to show you how our AI voice clerks can help your medical clinic as a receptionist. You're likely getting a bunch of calls during the day and at night time, and they're going to voicemail or an answering machine, and your clients aren't getting through to your receptionist. And so that's where our AI clerks come in and they can help. Here I have an AI voice clerk for Medical Clinic 101. It's operating during my after hours, so during the night time. When people call in, this will pick up, and it fields my queries and hands these off to the relevant team member so I feel dealt with. So I'm going to give this a ring, and we can see live in action how our AI clerks help handle incoming calls.
Thank you for calling Medical Clinic 101. This is Daniel. I'm part of the answering service helping the clinic today. How can I help you?
Hi Daniel, I'd like to book an appointment.
I'd be happy to help with that. Could I start with your full name?
Yeah, it's William Bowen.
Perfect. Thank you, William. Is the appointment for you or for someone else?
It's for me.
Okay, William, have you been to Medical Clinic 101 offices before?
No, this is my first time.
Great. We're always happy to welcome new patients. I'll just need to get a little bit of information to set up a chart for you. What's your date of birth, William?
It's the 11th of September 2002.
Okay, William, I've got your date of birth. Can I get the name of your insurance provider so we can check against our accepted list?
Yeah, it's Affinity.
Let me confirm with our team about this insurance. They will confirm and we'll get back to you shortly. Would you like to schedule at our New York location or our New Jersey location?
Let's do New York.
Okay, New York location. Let's get you booked. I went ahead and took down all the information and shared with our team. Someone from our team will get back to you shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today, William?
That's great, thank you. Okay, great. So you can see Daniel helped field my incoming query. He recognized the insurances that were taken at Medical Clinic 101 and which ones weren't. And then if you see this flow here, you can see that this transcript has been summarized into the key data that the team need. Has then been posted, in this case, to Slack and to this medical clinic's bespoke CRM. And so if you want to set this up inside Clerk Chat, an AI receptionist that works after hours, how can you do that? It's all done with our check schedule node here, where you can set your operating hours. And we've perfected this so you can describe your working hours. So I work Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. And then I can simply add this schedule. So I hit add, I give that a second, and AI automatically populates this. So now the AI will only run in the hours that I'm off work. And so this means during the day I can do my job, I can go home and rest peacefully knowing that the AI is still collecting all the calls that come in that evening. So we've seen a lot of success with medical clinics, dental clinics, audiology clinics using these AI receptionists. And so if this interests you and you want to set one up, reach out to our sales team and they'd be happy to help. Thanks.